In this video I'm going to be showing you the Easyshims from Stairrods UK. Now this isn't a new product to the market, it's actually been around for quite a few years, and it actually came out first off for fixing height differences between two different floor coverings. The shims themselves will actually accommodate a 15 to 40mm drop or raise, whichever way you look at it, and they come in 6, 9, 12 and 15mm shims. Now with these shims you can actually make side shims as well to chamfer away from doorways, which I'll be showing you in this video today. So if we just have a look at the box, open it up, you get 10 shims per box, and it takes one shim to do 2 side shims. As you can see there, I've got a 6mm this side and it chamfers away to a feather edge on that side. Predominantly used with stretch fit carpet systems, but you can use them for other things. So it's just thinking outside the box when you come up to a higher level in a doorway. As you can see in front of me, we've got the instructions. Now these instructions are either on the Stairrods UK website or in the description below. To mark these up, it's all I need to do is measure what the shim is. Should be about 20 centimetres. And I'll just transfer that line across. Marking from both edges. We want the waist to end up in the middle of the shim because that ensures that we have 2 factory edges. However accurate I can cut these, the factory edge is always going to be slightly better. And once that's done, it's just marking corner to corner. The way to remember this is your diagonals always run towards the centre of the shim. Compare that to the drawing. So what we've got there is waist, 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 waist there, and then waist there. It's all we need to do is just cut with a Stanley knife. Working along the lines. And what we've got is number 1 goes with number 6, number 3 goes with number 8. So as you can see there, we've got a chamfer running down that way and a chamfer running down that edge. So it gives us a chamfer that way and also a chamfer that way. If I take a bit of the waist, you can see there you've got 2 different heights. If I actually use the bits that are chamfering down this way, I've still got high edges, so you can't actually use the waste material. There's my corner shim just there. Bring the shim up to it. It chamfers that way, and on the other side will chamfer the other way, just giving it a nice gradient up towards the height you're working to.